Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier, slimmer you? Introducing VivaSlim, the revolutionary dietary supplement that is not only eco-friendly but also designed to help you manage your weight safely and effectively. Say goodbye to those stubborn pounds and hello to a new, confident you. Harnessing the power of nature, VivaSlim combines a synergistic blend of 11 herbal ingredients, minerals, vitamins, and proteins to provide you with the ultimate weight loss solution. Boost your metabolism, reduce hunger, conquer cravings, and watch the pounds melt away. VivaSlim comes in a convenient liquid drop form, making it incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just add 10 drops to any beverage 3 times a day, and you're on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, results may vary, so consulting with your doctor is always a wise decision. Let's delve into the incredible highlights of VivaSlim. Firstly, it's a pure and all-natural weight loss supplement, free from artificial ingredients, sugar, and gluten. You can trust that you're only putting the best into your body. But VivaSlim offers more than just weight loss. It helps reduce stress levels, thanks to ingredients like rhodiola rosea, allowing you to combat stress eating and regain control of your cravings. Boost your immune system with the powerful antioxidant properties of African mango extract, supporting a healthier lifestyle. Say goodbye to frustrating plateaus and hello to a healthier body mass index. VivaSlim kickstarts your journey towards a more balanced physique, helping you burn belly fat and achieve a slimmer waist, thighs, belly, and arms. Experience the joy of fitting into your favorite clothes again. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and weighed down? VivaSlim naturally accelerates your metabolism and fat-burning process, giving you a renewed sense of lightness and energy. Regulate your blood sugar levels and embrace a stress-free life. VivaSlim is designed to be your partner in long-term weight control. With its easy-to-use drops and simple daily routine, you can maintain a healthy lifestyle effortlessly. And if you're not completely satisfied, we offer a money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. Let's take a closer look at the incredible ingredients that make VivaSlim so effective. The chief ingredient, Ervinja gabonensis extract, targets fat cells, stimulates their elimination, and increases energy levels. Niacin, or vitamin B3, promotes healthy insulin levels and reduces inflammation, while astragalus extract targets fat cells, boosts immunity, and aids in healthy weight loss. But remember, everyone's weight loss journey is unique. While many have experienced success with VivaSlim, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. If you're sensitive to any herbal ingredient, such as astragalus or rhodiola, consult your healthcare provider. And always follow the recommended dosage. Each bottle of VivaSlim contains a 30-day supply, and the recommended dose is clearly labeled. Its liquid form ensures quick absorption, and you can take it with or without food. For optimal results, experts recommend using VivaSlim for at least 3 months. Commit to your transformation and unlock the best version of yourself. VivaSlim, from Simple Promise, is your ticket to advanced weight loss results. It's time to shed those extra pounds, boost your metabolism, and feel better about yourself. Say goodbye to unwanted weight and hello to a slimmer, healthier you. Take control of your journey with VivaSlim today. VivaSlim, your path to a better you. Get your bottle of VivaSlim today and experience the benefits of natural weight loss. Choose your package below,